The next section on the UC application is the academic history section. Here you will enter the high school or high schools you attended, as well as your grades. The first part of this section is the 7th and 8th grade section. If you took any high school level math courses in 7th or 8th grade, you're going to enter the course name and the term period, full year or less than a year. Your transcripts will not be required for middle school classes. You should not enter your high school math classes in this section. That will be later on in the application. The following question asks, did you take any courses in a language other than English in 7th or 8th grade? It is a similar process where you will enter the course name, the term period, full year or less than a full year, the category, how many years is the course worth, and the language. And the last question asks about international school experience. If you attended a school outside of the US for any part of 6th through 8th grade, enter yes, and enter the language of instruction. For the purposes of this video, I'm going to go through California high schools. If you have a specialized curriculum, select homeschool or independent study. If you do not have a specialized curriculum, ignore this question. Begin by entering your school's name, the city that your school is situated in, or the school code. Next, you will see the different options for schools in that area. When you find your school, select it and continue. If you're part of a career pathway, IB program, magnet, or other, you can check these boxes. If you're unsure, leave it blank. When entering your school, follow the dates on your transcript. If you are entering multiple high schools, you will do the same process. Just make sure that your dates are aligned. If you took summer courses, check the box next to the grade that you took the summer course. Select your school's grading system. For this video, I'm going to choose ABCDF. Choose your school's term system. For this video, I'm going to choose semester system. If this is the school that you will graduate from, select yes. If this is one of the high schools you attended but not the school you will graduate from, select no. When selecting yes, select high school diploma. If you're getting an IB diploma, select IB diploma. And select your graduation date for date received or to be received. After going through the information, click save and continue. Once you're done, you'll be taken back to this page. Make sure you scroll down and click I finished adding high schools if you have finished adding your high schools. Now that you've finished adding your high school or high schools, it's time to enter your grades. You're going to enter it by 9th, 10th, 11th, and 12th grade. So please note, you are entering 12th grade courses. The process is the same for 9th through 11th grade. I'm going to use 11th grade for this video. Once you scroll down, you'll find that the classes are going to be divided by the A through G's. Make sure that you have your transcript at hand so you can compare the classes when entering them. For 11th grade, student takes AP United States History, and I'm going to enter grade 1 and grade 2. Grade 1 being fall and grade 2 being spring for schools that are in semester system. If your school is in a different system, talk with your counselor and follow your transcript. Some courses, however, are one semester courses, and this is very important to note and distinguish on your application. For instance, let's take a look at Honors American Literature Composition and Honors Contemporary Composition. If a student takes Honors Contemporary Composition for fall, they will enter their grade. However, when looking at their transcript, they will see there's no second grade for Contemporary Composition. So the student will enter no. For second semester, however, there is a grade for American Literature Composition. So we're going to put no for the first semester and the grade for the second semester. You will continue this process for the rest of your classes and your grades for 9th through 11th grade. If you do not see your courses, you can enter them manually here. The first field will require you to designate the A through G for your course. Enter the course name and the honors level. HL is for honors, IB is for IBs, NH is for no honors or non-honors, and AP is for AP classes. In this case, the course is non-honors, so I'm going to put NH. And I'm going to enter the grade that I got. And you can continue adding other courses if you do not see them. Courses that are not going to be placed are the following: PE, JROTC, Homeroom, Advisory, and Health. There will be other courses on your transcript that you will not enter. Please check in with your counselor or advisor if you have a question about whether a class should be inputted on the UC application. And last but not least, click Save and Continue. You will be required to enter your 12th grade courses, and this is going to show you how you're going to enter these courses. Under your classes, you will find that once you click on an option, it'll state IPPL for your grades. IP means in progress and PL means planned. You will do this for all the A through G courses in your senior year. Please remember, some courses are one semester, such as AP Government. Click No for grade 2 and find the second half of the course. AP Government will turn into Economics. Whether that is AP or honors or non-honors is up to your school, so please be sure to check in with your teacher and or counselor to verify if your second semester will be honors or AP or non-honors. In this case, I will find Economics in the G section, College Prep Electives, and I see an option for Economics as non-honors and honors. I enter no, PL for planned, and I enter the rest of my courses. If you do not see your courses, again, you can add your courses manually.